I'm sorry. Hey guys, it's Madison here, and we're gonna be cutting open a balloon of slime.
I will go get it. You can
No, here, we'll be right back. Right? See my hand? 3, 2, 1. Boom! I got the balloon with my magic powers.
Okay.
Now, we still need scissors, right? 3, 2, 1. Okay, it was really hard to find them in my hand. So, balloon, scissors, let's get started. Oh, jeez.
Oh,
it's
cutting. Oh my god.
Oh,
I'm scared.
Guys,
It's so hard to cut this, baby. We're gonna see what's inside this stretch.
Like,
Ew,
can you guys see that?
what is it? Is that
Ew.
slime?
Oh, no, I don't know. My friend made it.
Ew, that's so gross. It looks like slime. I'm gonna take it.
No.
It's slime! No, it isn't.
Oh.
That's
Giving
so
birth to
weird.
slime or something.
That's
whatever.
so nasty.
Oh,
That's so cool. We're gonna do that.
kind of like here.
I will hold it.
Hold it like this. Okay. Get you the front. Okay, hold. Are you guys? Oh no. This is large. Guys, do you think this is good?
I thought it's not gonna be like that. I thought it's gonna be like different stuff.
Oh, it's really heavy.
Should we open the little one? I really want to.
It's like no.
No, if it will just be in the bowl, and we can keep it in the bowl for the rest of life. Okay, let's just do it. We have to do it for our fans.
No, we'll do it tomorrow. Okay.
No, we need to do it tonight.
Guys, I just want to tell you something. Tomorrow we're gonna actually be cutting open another one. We're gonna go get some like Tide for it or something, because it is very liquidy.
And that's why we have a bowl. But I'm gonna go cut now.
No. Yeah, next video. The video. Cause I know I'm about to make another video.
Tomorrow?
Putting stuff in my slime in a few minutes.
Yeah,
It's like
maybe
so
be in it.
great. Did you guys see that?
That's so cool. Oh god, that's so cold. But
Guys, shush. Be quiet. You want to hear this? Okay. Wow, I think this is a really good slime.
you put it in there though.
Oh, I don't know. I think we mix a lot of slimes together to fill up this balloon. What are we going to do with this balloon now? It's like all cut and open.
We should put this Play-Doh.
It's like nothing in it though. Ugh, she's grabbing all kinds of stuff in the cut. Oh no! This is a very big
Let's try
slime.
and put this in it and see what happens.
Oh, guys, it stretches.
Let's put this in here and see what happens.
No, we're going to do that in the next video because we're going to be putting stuff in the slime.
I want to try it now.
Okay.
So, yeah.
We'll be back to the next video.
Bye.
Wait, not yet. I hope you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And we're going to do a challenge. What to put down in the comments. Tell me if this slime came out good.
And also, watch my channels.
Anastasia
Early One.
Yeah. I might leave it down in the comments, description down below. I don't know.
So, you better like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.
Wait. Catch you later.